Bob, I would say pretty humid.
Yeah, it is right now. Yeah, it's very up there. It's upper 60s right now. We are looking at, though, some cooler weather headed our way. It's been a very warm winter thus far. Looking back in 2010, when the water temperature at that time was 48 degrees. Right now, it's at 70, so a big change. Nice sunset, though. People enjoying the outdoors near Braden Beach. Mary getting this shot, sending it on in, and appreciate that beautiful sunset. And again, another one near Siesta Key, or I should say 10th Street Boat Ramp. That's where it's nearby. A Titan radar picture showing the front now located to our north. The front itself is not all that strong. It's not producing a lot of rainfall. There's not enough moisture really to work with in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. There's plenty at the surface, but not much in the upper levels. So the showers that are popping up are very light in nature as this front slowly sinks southward. It's really lined up parallel with the upper level winds, but we do think it's going to get a little push overnight, and we'll start to see some of that cooler air filter in throughout the day tomorrow. The clouds will still kind of stick around throughout much of the morning, maybe some clearing late in the afternoon, and it looks as though we will see highs only into the upper 60s for tomorrow. We can see some showers up near Crystal River along I-75 south of Ocala at this time. Not quite through Orlando yet, but temperature is very mild and warm. 70 degrees in Venice, Braden at 69, same in Sarasota right now. And as far as our current conditions go, we are looking at dew point temperatures still riding high into the mid to upper 60s. And that means our low tonight will be fairly warm. 66 was the low this morning and 76 was the high, well above average on both scales there. No rainfall to report. We're below average, nearly 3/4 of an inch. Temperatures, these are dew point temperatures. A lot of times we look for those to see where that drier air is, and you can see it's all over the panhandle right now. These are low dew point temperatures. They'll be dropping into us, but look at our dew point, 67 degrees. Typically during the summer, it's just about 3 degrees warmer than this. So it's very warm, very muggy out there, 67-degree dew point in Orlando at 64. But these will be dropping tomorrow night. They will more or less be into the, looks like upper 40s for the most part across our region. Right now, we are looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 60s to low 70s. Braden at 67, Parrish here at 68 degrees, Palm Air 70, and Sarasota at 70 degrees. In downtown Laurel Oak, the same. 69 in Plantation, the same in Inglewood and Northport. So temperatures all fairly uniform right now into the upper 60s to low 70s for the most part. Tomorrow we'll have highs into the upper 60s, right around 70 degrees. Now I mentioned the clouds. They'll be around throughout much of the morning, and then there will be some minor clearing in the afternoon, so we will see a little bit more sunshine later in the day. And it looks like another cold front will move through over the weekend. And with that other cold front, a little disturbance will move along it and bring a real good chance for some showers, especially on Sunday. Well, the winds turn to the north by 3 o'clock in the morning. That's pretty much when we think the front will be moving on through. And then by 5 a.m., pretty much everyone will have that front have gone through, except for maybe Punta Gorda. That'll happen probably just shortly after sunrise. The overall forecast is calling for that cloudiness to stick around throughout most of the day. By 5, we start to see it start to push to the south. And then notice what happens out here on Saturday. A lot of moisture and upper air disturbance moves in. We'll expect those clouds to be on the increase throughout the day on Saturday and especially on Sunday, with a good chance for showers and storms. Not much happening over the rest of the U.S. All is fairly quiet right now. Well, here's the boating forecast. Tomorrow, winds will be generally out of the north at 15 knots, and seas will be 2 to 4 feet with a moderate chop, so not the best boating. And the UV index will be a 6. And the forecast tides upcoming, the low tide at 7:15, sunrise at 7:18. The forecast tonight. Cold front late, well, now early in the morning. Showers at 20% with a passage of that front, and winds out of the west turning to the north. Tomorrow, cooler, morning clouds becoming partly cloudy, 69 for a high tomorrow. And the extended forecast, cooler still on Saturday and Sunday with a chance for showers increasing on Sunday, staying cool right through Wednesday, and then Thursday, a high of 72.